Now, the last point be ega matter. Money matter. Money. Now, under this artist management checklist of money issues, the first point be say your annual profit and loss. You for assess them. You for assess your yearly income and expenses. Like I tell you, it be music business. It don't be music industry. It be music business we dey look at. So you for have a yearly income. So if it be months where you start, maybe you start manage the artist from the beginning of the year, at least every month you for have some, some expenses report or income money where you make, you for keep track of them. I know most artists, they don't want to make people see their money inside. So they don't go. That's why most people also don't go want to employ anybody. Because they don't want to make people see their money inside. They don't want to chop their money. You know, make big, oh. You know, make big. Everybody for chop the money some. So because of that, just like every company, you for have an income and expenses assessment. If you lose money, you go know say they lose money. The next point be for have artist finance template. Now what this one they do be say they help the artist to manage in himself in money and the expenses. Most artists they blow money. They don't blow sell, they blow money pass. They worry their artist managers. Especially the executive managers, the ones they manage the artists, then be them sign they give them money. Buy them cars, buy them shada, buy them this, buy them food, buy them this. Hey, Charlie. No, that'd be cool. Those things, if your artist manager gets you, it'd be cool. But if they just blow money, no. So you the artist, you for have an artist finance template. So it will help you to keep track of your money. So you don't go waste money. Now the next thing be what do they call daily bookkeeping template. This one you keep track of your financial transactions every day. It shock you. Yeah, if you keep track of everything. Everything you do every single day. Go buy gobe for the artist today. For write them down. You go buy them something. You go for write them down. The artist buy something chop. If you write all those down, especially when it be part of the recording session, it'll be like a day as they chill, right? So your daily bookkeeping template, you must have that template and fill them. If you also look at an invoice template, okay, it be to prepare invoices for the team or for clients, right? So somebody can play show, he pay the money, forgive him invoice. Or if he asks for this, forgive him invoice. Or if you give him a receipt, it be very important. So the invoice template be very important. Now, if you also have what they call monthly revenue template, if you keep track of the money you chop every month. You understand? Another thing be your cash flow tracking and template. If you check how much money they come in and they go. You understand? Monthly cash flow. You must get that information. Now, your personal budget template. You, the artist, and the artist manager, want to keep track of your personal budget templates. If you write every expense you make down, if you put that down, it'll be very important. That's why if you get people around you where they like your matter, because people they go just blow your money and they understand. People go they complain. I see some people they complain like, yo, if you go take a stranger as your artist manager where you chop all your money, what you could do? It be true. So if you find a correct guy, you understand. That be why this game it be teamwork. To find a correct guy. Another thing if you check be your personal net worth sheet. You understand? If you calculate your personal net worth. That's why they talk say music be business. These things that they talk. Personal net worth. Those time net worth sheet. Net worth. I forget self. What do they mean? These things, it is also accounting matter. But as an artist, because you be business person, you for learn them. For know what net worth be. You understand? Now the last point, all of them we will talk about be what do they call your royalties guide. If you have a checklist for your royalties guide, so you will know how much royalties you collect. If you be artist, you will know all that. If you know all that. Even though the artist manager they for know all that. And the artist manager too for be aware of all that. You understand? So basically this be what we call the artist management toolkit. It cover 5 different points. The startup of the artist management company, the touring, the recording of songs or albums or singles, the marketing of the songs, and then how money be used for all these things. They'll be very important. So stay tuned and make sure you subscribe. This is Street Academia TV. And like I talked, this